This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Open the driver's door and pull the bonnet release handle. Lift the safety catch lever and fully open the bonnet. Unclip the support prop and engage it in the hole in the underside of the bonnet. Working on one plug at a time, grasp the boot, not the lead, and with a twisting motion, pull the cap upwards and off the plug. Remove any dirt and debris from the spark plug recess. Unscrew and remove the spark plug. The spark plug electrode gap is of considerable importance. If too large or too small, the size of the spark and its efficiency will be seriously impaired. The gap should be set between 1 mm and 1.1 mm. Note that if the recommended spark plugs are fitted, the electrode gap is preset by the manufacturer and should not require adjustment. To set the gap, measure it with a feeler blade and then bend open or closed the outer plug electrode until the correct gap is achieved. The center electrode should never be bent, as this may crack the insulator and cause plug failure. If using feeler blades, the gap is correct when the appropriate size blade is a firm sliding fit. Special plug electrode gap adjusting tools are available from most motor accessory shops. It's often difficult to insert spark plugs into their holes without cross-threading them. To avoid this possibility, fit a short piece of 8 mm inside diameter rubber hose over the end of the spark plug. The flexible hose acts as a universal joint to help align the plug with the plug hole. Should the plug begin to cross-thread, the hose will slip on the spark plug, preventing thread damage. Tighten the spark plug to the specified torque. Press the plug cap down firmly onto the spark plug. Repeat this procedure on the remaining spark plugs. Disengage the support prop and clip it into place. Lower the bonnet firmly and check it secure.